Now, since there is only one element in the given beam structure, individual element stiffness matrix itself becomes the global stiffness matrix capital letter K. Thereby, substituting the values of K as well as the values of Q and F in the governing equation of FEA, we get, that is, K into Q is equal to F. Substitute the value of K in the respective place as well as Q and F as shown in this particular sheet. We are getting the answer as it is clearly seen. Proceeding further, as per the representation of the sketch given in the problem definition, a type of constraint known as all degrees of freedom constraint, which is shown by fixed symbolic representation, is present at node 1. This implies that at node 1, which is having two displacements Q1 and Q2, are not at all getting any values, which further implies that first row first column, second row second column have to be deleted as per a method called as elimination method of handling boundary conditions. Mathematically, this has been shown in the sheet. That is, I have deleted first row first column and second row second column from the governing equation. The resultant equation thus we can write here is 1.5625 into 10 to the power of 6 into 4 numbers within the matrix, that is the numbers written with red color, 2.56 minus 4.8 minus 4.8 into Q3 Q4 is equal to F3 F4. The last equation in this sheet ascertains that on the sketch of the given beam structural member within the problem definition, a load or a force F is acting in the vertically downward direction. Thereby, as per the sign convention, you take minus value for it, that is minus 250 into 10 to the power of 3. Since the load is applied along the vertical direction and as per the FER, vertical direction representation at node 2 is given by the symbol Q3. That is, Q3 corresponding load at F3 as the value being considered as minus 250 into 10 to the power of 3. No load is being applied in the angular direction. Take the value of F4 as 0. Thus, the final representative expression in this sheet is 1.5625 into 10 to the power of 6 into 12 2.56 minus 4.8 minus 4.8 into Q3 Q4 is equal to minus 250 into 10 to the power of 3 0.